How y'all doing? Thanks for tuning in. This is Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency strobe safety and lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, trucks, bicycles, tricycles, SUVs, CRCs, wheelchairs, and my most favorite truck to date right now, the 2022 all-new Ford Super Duty with the big radio. Yeah, this one's got that big radio screen, the nice upgrade 2022. This particular Ford Super Duty is a platinum. Has darn near every option you can get. And what you're looking at right now, mounted in the grill, is our Lin 8. That's a 2-color light. We chose to synchronize all 4 together on a very fast quad flash. That's 4 flashes of each color really fast, and it alternates colors. Now that light does have a steady on white flood feature if you wanted. We didn't elect to use that on this build. Running the headlight DRL is our auto flasher kit. Now that is a no-cut install. You simply swap a wire and the factory plug right behind the headlight. Very easy to do. You can see all the details about that under the auto flasher listings on our website. That very same product, the auto flasher, is running our mirrors and our roof. Here's your angle view from the front. This particular truck is in the construction industry, so he needed some lighting for when he's on and off of the job sites. We did another truck very similar to this just a few months ago, so you may want to go back, take a look at that video. Has a little bit more detail in that one, and it is a very similar truck, almost identical to this one. Alrighty, here's your straight on side view. You can see in the badge there, we're using our Thin X. That's our LIN Series 2 Amber White. It's a selectable light. You can flash it amber or flash it white or flash a combo like we're doing here. We slowed that one down just a little bit on this build, match it up with the other truck. On the back, underneath the tail light, right on the side there, you can see our Amber TIR3. That's just to give a little bit of rear warning there in amber only. We have those TIR3s in other colors, as well as you could fit a Lin 6 or a Lin 8 under that tail light too. So there is a variety of lights that'll fit under the edge of that tail light. You can see more about those at wickedwarnings.com. Alrighty, here's your back angle view. As you can see, we did a couple of other things around the back of the truck. First and foremost, we've got our Thin X strip. That's a 15.5-inch strip. We put one on each side underneath the tailgate there. We synchronized them together as well. And here you can see a little better view of that. We're also running our no-cut kit auto flasher on those white factory reverse, as well as our standard cut kit on the cargo auto flasher as well. We'll put links to all of these products right in the description of the video so you can see every one of them, follow them back to the website, and build your own custom package. I just want to show you again this awesome new interior with the big radio. I'm a little jealous of that radio. I might have to try to put one of those in my 16. Not sure. Maybe I'll do it. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. I hope you find this video informative, entertaining, and useful. And again, check the description for links to all these products, or head on over to wickedwarnings.com where you can see more detail on everything you've seen here right in our categories on the top of the website under Shop Our Products. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.